Hello and welcome back. You're watching BHM University. My name is Nate, and today we're going to be unboxing the Victory LX Sport from Pride Mobility, part of their mid-size scooter line. As you can see, it comes in two separate boxes. One's the seat, one's the scooter. We're going to go ahead and set this seat off to the side. And we're going to go ahead and open this scooter up. Now first we want to go ahead and cut the straps, and then we'll cut the tape. I like to cut on the sides first. That way we can hold the lids up, make sure that we're not cutting anything important. Cut along there. And then I'm gonna go ahead and cut the sides to open it up for you. Now, as you may be able to see, your new Pride Mobility product is going to come packed in styrofoam to protect this new Pride Mobility product. Now here on the top, we're gonna find our new charger. We're gonna find the mirror. We're also going to see the owner's manual here on top. Let's go ahead and set those to the side and get this thing unpacked. Let's go ahead and start taking all this off so we can see this nice candy apple red. Whole bunch of styrofoam. Okay, let's go ahead and cut the sides down so that we can see the scooter a little better. Go ahead and do this side as well. Let's go ahead and get this job site cleaned up so that you can see the scooter a little easier. Now that we've got the area cleaned up, let's go ahead and raise this tiller up so that we can get the rest of this styrofoam out of the way so that we can also remove the plastic. To raise the tiller, we have this big knob here. We loosen that handle so that we can raise that up. You may want to tighten it up so that it stays in place. Now we can take this big hefty piece out of the way. You're also going to find that the basket is stuck inside of that. We're going to go ahead and set that to the side. We're going to remove this cardboard. We can now remove this plastic off the tiller. We can take the plastic off of the scooter. And from there, we can also lift up on this scooter and pull the styrofoam from underneath it. So let's do that on both sides. Let's lift up here and remove that styrofoam. Let's go ahead and pull this plastic down some so you can get a better look at this beautiful scooter. So we have one more piece of packing left. We'll go ahead and get that out of the way. Now we're ready to get that seat out and put it on the scooter. So we've gone ahead and taken this seat out of the box. So let's go ahead and get it mounted onto the scooter. We do have this seat post here. Now you're also going to find that there is a big seat post or mounting post on the bottom of the seat here. We're going to just line that up with the center hole on the mounting post on the scooter, just like so. There is a lever here on the side. We're going to push that forward and give it a little twist to make sure that that seat sets all the way down. Release that handle and hear a big snap, just like so. Make sure that it's locked into place, and then you're ready to raise that seat up. So you do have a nice big handle here on the side. We'll just lift up on that so we can raise that seat up just like so. Now the seat does come with a headrest. So we're going to go ahead and put that on. That's going to go up here just like a regular car headrest. Slides right into place, just like so. Now let's go ahead and get our arms on it. So our arms are going to come with two mounting L brackets. These are going to go in the sides, right here. So first things first, we want to go ahead and loosen this knob here. Loosen it all the way. And then there is a small pin in the back here that you want to pull as well. We'll go ahead and slide that into place, line it up with a couple of the holes on the L bracket, put that pin into place, and tighten that knob up. Do that for the other side. Just like so. And tighten that up. Now the actual armrests themselves come separately. These are going to fit just in the top of these L brackets, just like so. The scooter does come with a Allen wrench. Let's go ahead and find that. There it is. Now you want to make sure that this armrest has enough space to be able to move up and down. I like to put a finger's width in there, but this does have space to go any height that you would like. Now when I'm first setting it up, I just set it up as a generic finger width, just like so. Let's do the same for the other side. And just like that, our seat is set. Now on the seat, we do have a handle to allow for this seat to slide back and forth, just like so. So you can set that anywhere that you would like. On the back side here, we do have a nice little yellow handle. This is our neutral and drive switch. So you can push that switch forward and you're able to push that scooter forward. So let's go ahead and push it off this pallet and we'll be right back. All right, now that we've gone ahead and removed that pallet, let's go ahead and continue with this beautiful Victory LX Sport. So as we discussed before, we do have the tiller adjustment knob down here. We're gonna go ahead and loosen that up and go ahead and show you the range that this will go. So we'll go ahead and tighten that up again. Now, here on the inside of this tiller, we do have a nice little fuse box with a whole bunch of colorful fuses. Just above that, we do have a charging port to allow for us to charge this scooter up. Now, as we move up, we do have our whole control panel here where we have our speed control, our lights, hazards, battery, our ignition switch, turn signals, horns, and even our forward and reverse. So as we move forward here, we have the mount for our basket. So we'll go ahead and get that mounted on. First, we must remove all this plastic from our basket. We'll go ahead and set that to the side. We're going to find that this basket on the back side has a couple of little hooks that are perfect for this bracket here on the front. This will just slide on and clip into place just like so, nice and sturdy. Now we also have a mirror that we can mount. We're going to go ahead and mount it. You're going to find on this handle that there are a couple of little rubber pieces that can be removed. You can mount this mirror on either side, left or right. And from there, you'll just tighten this into place, just like so. And just like that, you're all good to go. Your scooter's ready to roll. All right, so that's gonna be it for our unboxing video of the Victory LX Sport from Pride Mobility. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, as it's the best way to grow our channel. And like I said, please share this with a friend, and we'll see you next time.